This is the Stihl BGA 60 blower. An excellent blower for the domestic garden. Very easy to use with the safety switch here. I'm putting it in there. I'm switching it on there. So the BGA 60 can be worked with the AK range of batteries. So this one is fully charged. It goes 4, 3, 2, 1, and then that's how the battery life goes down. So battery, AK30 battery, fits into the AL101 charging system. Easy to use. Slot it into the blower, double click. Comes out like that. I said slot it in, double click, all ready to use. So this BGA 60, excellent for domestic